Hey you guys, good morning. So today is the 28th of February. It's the end of February 2026 and time check, it's now 8:57 in the morning. I'm currently getting ready para sa event namin with Rotary District 3860 and DMDP Cebu City. It's a trabajo fair, as I mentioned in my previous video. We're gonna go to the venue. We're gonna go to SMC side, and I'm just waiting for Sir Alex to arrive so that sabay na kami pumunta doon. We'll just be riding his motorcycle. Dito na kami ni Sir Alex. Naglalakad, going to Cube Wing. Ito na pala yun, guys. So dito. So, tamang-tama. The mall is already open, 10 a.m. Ito na yun, guys. This is Fantasy World. Akala ko ito na yung trabaho fair. Ayan. Abi dong nakasalkantara. So this is the Cube Wing, guys. Ito lang yan. It's not really very spacey, but yeah. May free notebook ako from San Miguel Brewery.
Hi, hello!
It's now 11:49 in the morning and masyadong maingay kasi may ibang event pa dito sa Cube Wing aside sa trabaho fair. And dito ako nasa-stay sa tech booth together with Glynis Entertainment Services. Sila yung supplier namin, Suki, for the small events. They supply us with the LED wall, the sound system, a complete team, a complete tech team. So if you're in Cebu and you are looking for suppliers for or like a tech team, including na yung LED wall, lights, and sounds, so you can contact Glynis and also Cebu Video Hub, yung sa anak ko, si Burns.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Glynis number 1 na.
For the working committee, this is going to be our lunch. It's Jollibee. Ito yung lunch namin. Diba, ang social ng laptop ng DMDP, ROG. So this is the Cube Wing of SMC side. That's the arena right there. And Cube Wing. So pwede ka nang magpaano dito. Magpe-picnic, chill, sit down. Kaya ka tinatawag siyang Cube Wing. It's because of the huge cube in front of it. Showroom ng Porsche. Yes, Audi. Hindi talaga ako mahilig na mag-malling kasi tinatamad na ako. Usually, nakikita ko naman yung mga needs ko sa Shopee. Sometimes sa TikTok shop. Not so much with Lazada, but yeah. Pumupunta lang naman ako ng mall if like groceries or may mga urgent na bilihin and hindi makukuha ng Shopee. Because for Shopee kasi, for Visayas, it would take around 5 to 7 days, depende. And then if available naman sa mall, although it's quite pricey, but it's okay. This is the first time I'm using this mount na naka-attach talaga sa pole. It's very convenient. Ganda talaga ng side na to kapag nagva-vlog ka kasi walang katao-tao. Minsan kasi nahihiya pa ako na mag-vlog or mag-talk to the camera. Pero guys, okay, this is what Kyla D said. It's social exposure. Para part na to ng character development natin. And it's almost 1 o'clock. Baka mag-start na yung program.
The People Management Association of the Philippines. To give this message, please help me welcome the Vice President of PMAP, Mr. Gideon Kent here.
Good afternoon, everyone. In partnership with the local government and other agencies also.
Guys, tapos na yung program but uwi na kami.
Pero before pa, nakita na ko sa sa Facebook. Pero niuyog sa balik.
Uyong yun lagi. Well, unfortunately guys, hindi na ako makapag-tour sa inyo dito sa seaside, including yung Sky Park nila. Kinda not feeling well na. And I still have vlogs to edit. So, next time na lang.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. And I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun.